Previously, I showed you how to fetch data from exchanges using APIs. But today I want us to use the Y-Finance module or library, which doesn't require an API. And that is only possible if first you install the module. So how do you install? You install by running these codes in your cell. That is pip install and the module name. Second, you now need to import the module in your workspace. In this case is import Y-Finance as YF, and now you have your module imported and installed in your workspace. And the next step is now to extract data from it. To fetch data from this module, we need a function. The parameters on these functions are the ticker, the start time and the end time, or also you can input the interval, and now you insert or input based on the information you want to extract. Also remember, we need to store this data in a variable, and let's call this variable df, that is a data frame. So this data frame or the variable contains the information or the price data of the symbol or the ticker you chose and the start and the end time. But remember, the goal of this video is to clean raw data. So now we have gotten the raw data and stored it in a variable df, but now we need to clean it. While cleaning raw data is quite vast, let us concentrate on these specific aspects that might be important at this level. One, I want us to look how to label the columns, or rather how to re-label the columns. Number two, changing the columns data types. Number three, adding columns, and lastly, removing columns. And now, because I don't want this video to be so long, I'm just going to show you the code snippet of each aspect. Okay, so if you have a question, you can ask. Drop it on the comment section. This is the code for labeling the columns. This is the code for changing columns data type. Remember, if you intend to graph your data, the program or Python can only, or rather the library you're using can only perceive floats data type. Okay, so that's very important for you to change that. Number three, this is the code for adding columns, and lastly, this is the code for removing columns.